In this video, we're going to talk about why leaves on vegetable plants sometimes turn yellow, and more importantly, what you can do to turn those yellow leaves back to green. Leaf yellowing or chlorosis is a common issue in vegetable gardens. While alarming, it's usually a sign that your plants are trying to communicate their needs to you. Several things can cause your plants to yellow. So let's start at the top. Nutrient deficiencies. Nitrogen, potassium, and iron deficiencies are some of the most common culprits. When these essential nutrients are lacking, leaves can turn yellow as a result. To combat this, try adding compost or a balanced fertilizer to your soil to ensure your plants are getting all the nutrients they need. Overwatering or underwatering, both can stress your plants and cause yellowing. Overwatering deprives the roots of oxygen, and underwatering does not supply enough moisture for the roots to uptake nutrients. A rule of thumb is to water deeply but infrequently. Check the soil's moisture by sticking your finger in up to the second knuckle. If it's dry, it's time to water. Poor drainage. Poor drainage is a common cause of overwatering. If water isn't able to escape the soil properly, it can cause root rot, which results in yellow leaves. To improve your soil's drainage, try adding organic matter like compost, and ensure the planting area isn't in a low spot where water collects. Disease or pests. Fungal diseases, bacteria, and pests can all cause leaves to yellow. In these cases, yellowing is often accompanied by other signs of damage like spots, wilting, or physical pests. For diseases, removing affected leaves or using organic fungicides can help. For pests, beneficial insects, physical removal, or organic pesticides are effective solutions. Natural aging. Lastly, don't forget that it's normal for older leaves to yellow as they age and fall off the plant. This is a natural process, so make sure you're not trying to fix something that isn't broken. Remember, yellow leaves aren't always a cause for alarm. They're simply a signal that it's time for some detective work and possibly some adjustments in your garden care routine. Have a fun time gardening.